Next up, operators in need for Black Mous. With this, we just need to help a squad mate complete 3 missions. Unfortunately, you will need a teammate with you in order to finish this, and to check their missions you can hit M to open the map, or hit Y or click the button at the top to see what your friend's missions are. You can of course join teammates or find teammates in games, plead for help, etc., and those should count as well, as long as you get invited to a team somewhere along the line. Your missions: ping a UAV tower, ping a vehicle refuel, sell a valuable item. So it's this, on your minimap. Check the cemetery. I pinged it. So if we run there and activate it, it gives us the permanent UAV there for like 5 minutes. Right, just activate it and you'll have done your mission. But you'll be stuck in there for a few seconds. I got you, dog. Mission done. Quick. And there we go, simply just completing another mission with a friend. I've now completed help a squad mate finish 3 missions. If you hit Y, you'll see whatever missions your teammates have as if they were yours on the minimap. That's really it for this quick video, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.